Hello students, my name is Reshmalata. Today we are starting with chapter number 2, Input, Output and Memory Devices. Computer devices are the parts that can be attached to the computer to do many different kinds of work. Computer devices are classified into input devices, output devices and memory devices. Let me discuss one by one. Input devices. And input devices are used to feed data into computer. A computer has several input devices, namely keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, scanner, light pen, barcode reader, OCR, OMR, MICR, etc. Let me discuss one by one. Input devices. Keyboard. The most common input device is the keyboard. It is used to enter both numerical and character type data. Here numerical means 0 to 9 digits are called as a numerical values. Character means A to Z. These are called as a character type data. It is like a mechanical typewriter machine. It contains alphanumeric keys such as alphabet A to F and numerical values digits 0 to 9 and special keys such as enter, shift, control, alt, escape, etc. Punctuation keys comma, full stop, semicolon, colon, greater than sign, less than sign, etc. Functional keys. In all the keyboard at the top, F1 to F12 functional keys are there. It is used to perform a specific task. The keyboards contain 101 keys or 104 keys. Types of keyboard. First one, standard keyboard, ergonomics keyboard, wireless keyboard, virtual keyboard, compact keyboard. Standard keyboard. The standard keyboard have their basic layout. The average number of keys on the standard keyboard is 105 or 108. QWERTY, QWERTY keys are the most common keys in this type of keyboard and have the 6 alphabet QWERTY in the first row. Ergonomics keyboard. These type of keyboards are designed to reduce the stress on muscles. This keyboard is mainly designed for users who use both hands for typing. But this type of keyboard is expensive. Wireless keyboard. It is a keyboard that does not need to connect to the computer via a wire. Wireless keyboard use Bluetooth or infrared rays to connect to the computer. Virtual keyboard. It is a software component that allows the input of character without the need for physical keys. These are mainly used in devices which do not necessarily require a keyboard, like tablet or your smartphone. Compact keyboard. These keyboards are slim and usually do not have the numeric keypad that is present on the right side of the other keyboard. These are used in laptop. Next input device is the mouse. Mouse, it is an input device that controls the movement of the cursor on the display screen. Mouse, it is a used as a pointing device. Mouse stands for mechanically operated user serial engine. There are 4 types of mouse: manual mouse, scroll mouse, USB mouse, wireless mouse. Joystick. It is also a pointing device. These are used to control video games. Stimulated programs usually have one or more push buttons whose state can also be read by the computer. Joysticks are also used for controlling missions such as cranes, trucks, underwater vehicles. OMR, Optical Mark Reading and Recognition. OLS stands for Optical Mark Reading and Recognition. Optical mark reader is a device that reads pencil marks and convert them into a computer processable form. They are widely used in applications like objective type answer paper valuation, in which large number of candidates appear. See, this picture shows it is a OMR sheet. To read this kind of sheet, we are using the OMR. Next one is the OCR, Optical Character Recognition. The main use of these devices is to recognize alphabet and numeric character printed on paper. The OCR technique permits the direct reading of any printed character without any special ink. With OCR, a user can scan a page from a book. The computer will recognize the character in the page as a letter and punctuation marks, and it stores. This can be edited using the word processor. MICR. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. It is a form of character recognition that reads the text printed with magnetic charged ink. MICR is widely used in banks to process check. The check can be read using a special input unit which recognizes magnetic ink characters. This method reduces the manual error. It also saves time, ensures security and accuracy of data. In this video, we discussed input devices, keyboard, mouse, joystick, OCR, OMR, MICR. Thank you.